Okay guys, so this is the yarn I'm gonna use in this project. It's a Himalaya anti-pulling everyday super deluxe. It's not too thick and it's not too thin. Of course, if you want to make a bigger kind of a snowflake, you can use a bigger one like this. This is the everyday big. It's a really thick one, as you can see, but this one is really fine comparing to it. So according to the yarn that you are using is the size of the snowflake that you have. So for me, this is a snowflake, as you know, that I'm gonna make. So this is very good with this yarn, and with 4 and 0.5 millimeter hook made this beautiful kind of it's like really big one. So of course, if you want a bigger one, you use a bigger hook and a thicker yarn. And if you want a smaller snowflake, use a finer yarn with a smaller hook. So let's go and do our project. I'm gonna use this yarn to make this beautiful snowflake. So let's jump into the very beginning and start our project.